Breaking news. Layla's Nexus just got bumped to legend, costing 1600 credits. Is this a smart move or daylight robbery? Let's unpack this mess. Hi guys, Kazuki here, and in this video we are unpacking some serious shit that is happening right now. So apparently the developers changed the Layla's Nexus tag to the legend tag, that too with the numbers on it. The community is going crazy and here are two possible reasons for that. Number 1, with the change in tag. The collection point of the skin will surely increase, but what's crazy is that we will need double the credits to exchange the skin now, meaning 1600 credits from 800. There seems to be no change in Thamus Nexus or any other Double 11 skin. They will be sold normally for 800 only. Layla Nexus will however have a legend tag along with the purchase number, just like the Alpha Legend. Her skin and skill animation are top notch, no doubt on that. But honestly, changing the tag this late feels a bit ridiculous. As a business point of view, it's a great strategy, but as a player, it hurts. Now we have to double our grind just to get the skin. But for those who are planning to gift it to their loved ones, well, good luck with that. Rumors say that they will increase the skill effect even more to match the standards. But honestly, we loved how it was before. The event will start on the 5th of November, the draw system remains the same and you can use promo diamonds here to draw too. Talk about the hype the skin gave us. Well, if you were sad about that, then get ready to cry because Zushin PA skin will now be sold for 1089 diamonds. Initially we thought it would cost 899 diamonds like any other normal skins. But it seems like they have changed it to 1089 diamonds, and when the launch day discount of 30% of the final price will be 762 diamonds. You can also use your promo diamonds here to get the skin for cheaper. CC will however cost 899 diamonds and she will arrive a bit late. This is the only skin that went as planned. Also a quick note, you cannot use promo diamonds on her. But anyway, if we look at the bright side, we are about to get a brand new Realme skin for Vexana. She looks pretty amazing here and it seems like she will officially be joining the phone sponsors code now. We already have Eudora, Vivo Selfie Goddess and Mia Honor and soon. Vexana will be standing right beside them. Her skin will launch in the China server and later roll out globally. Talk about the perks, players in China are really winning big. They are even getting the Moscow Collector skin for free. If you want to know more about that, then why not check out this video. Oh, speaking of Moscow, my guy is getting another skin again. This time it will be a team skin of DFYG. Yup, you guessed it right, another new skin in the China server. For those who don't know, DFYG is a Chinese team and this skin most likely made to feature Unklong. Bro was good, not gonna lie. But honestly, this skin kinda looks a lot like his Starlet skin. And why is he painted in all gold? It's cool to see the team name on his chest, but the golden color all over his face, it's definitely giving off some strange vibes. Anyway, I had only this much to cover. Are you guys happy with the Layla skin? I'm having a mixed feeling right now. I'm happy because they increased the tech tier and also sad because they increased the tech tier. What about you guys? Comment down your feelings below. And if you are still here, check out this video as well. It tells how you can get 6 skins for free. So that will be all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Keep supporting Kazuki Official.